Today we'll talk about how can you create Passkey on your emo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on account and security, you click on it here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on Passkey, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, you click here on create here. So when you click here on create, then it's going to take you to create Passkey on your, sorry. So I think it's filled with us now here to create a Passkey. So just click here on continue here. So when it's going to show for you, and here can you create your Passkey when you use your button here or your screen lock on your device. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.